Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Vinco Ventures. The report was first published on our website January 13, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video, we give you the information you need to know about Vinco Ventures for the upcoming trading day on Friday 14th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Vinco Ventures performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Vinco Ventures stock currently holds a 0.000 score, and our system has ranked Vinco Ventures buy or hold candidate since January 12, 2022. This is an average return of 11.28% per day since first recommended. The stock getting 0 in score indicate that our system expect high volatility and risk for the following trading day, and given the latest development are not able to determine the next direction as it may go both ways. In our daily updates for Vinco Ventures, our last headline reads, Volatile ride for Vinco Ventures Inc. stock price on Thursday moving between $2.88 and $3.85. The Vinco Ventures Inc. stock price gained 22.57% on the last trading day, Thursday, January 13, 2022, rising from $2.88 to $3.53. And has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 33.68% from a day low at $2.88 to a day high of $3.85. The price has fallen in 5 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 37.89% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 103 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 137 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $483.44 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $12.49, and the lowest price was $1.40. Right now the price is 71.74%, or $8.96, below 52-week high at $12.49, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Vinco Ventures stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $4.06 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 52.06% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 54.21% and minus 16.59%. The 12-month trend indicates a 17.18% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between 5.67% and 306.89%. This equals a price between $3.73 and $14.36 after a year. Here are some price predictions from StockInvest users. Additionally, 2 users think the price will go up. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Vinco Ventures stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong sell and price to book a strong sell rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Vinco Ventures stock a strong sell rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Vinco Ventures. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Vinco Ventures Inc. stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock, but the stock has a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $2.58 and $2.80. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, January 7, 2022, and so far it has risen 52.81%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD). Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 253 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 59 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 57 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 49 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Vinco Ventures. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.13 and $2.96. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Vinco Ventures Inc. finds support just below today's level at $3.13. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.96 and $2.95. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 97 cents between high and low, or 33.68%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 16.28%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Vinco Ventures meets first resistance at $3.91. If you do not hold Vinco Ventures shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Vinco Ventures finds first level of support at $3.13, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $3.05, $2.82, $2.45. Sell at $3.79, $4.02, $4.39. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Vinco Ventures, is neutral. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On October 19, 2021, McPhillan Philip Anthony made an inside buy of 200,000 of common stock. On August 24, 2021, McPhillan Philip Anthony made an inside buy of 100,000 of common stock. On February 10, 2021, Vroman Brett Earl James made an inside buy of 150,000 of common stock. On February 10, 2021, Ferguson Christopher made an inside buy of 150,000 of common stock. On September 8, 2020, O'Donnell Kevin J. made an inside buy of 2,000 of common stock. Based on the 42 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive at a ratio of 88.357. In total, the insiders bought 1,544,315 and sold 0 shares in the last 42 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $3.40, minus 3.76%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 4 days ago. Is Vinco Ventures stock a buy? Vinco Ventures Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 14th, we expect Vinco Ventures to open down -11 cents and start trading at $3.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.